Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. So in today's video we'll be guiding you on how you can mine DIT tokens. So DIT is a revolutionary decentralized internet initiative that aims to reshape how we experience the online world. So for more details you can always check their Twitter page. You can read more about their project. Also, you can just tap on this link that takes you to the website. The white paper is on there. You can check the white paper to get more information about the project. The links will also be dropped in the comment section. Alright, so let's get into the video and do it together. So first of all, I'll be using my Mrs. browser to open up the DIT link, which will be provided in the caption beneath. Alright, so once the DIT page is up, what you need to do is to register. So you just tap on registration and then you enter the email. Okay, so let's enter an email address. Okay, and then enter a password, and then you enter a password again. So I've inputted an invitation code and then you tap on continue. Okay, so let's see what comes up next, and I'm to enter a nickname for this registration and I would use SMC tutors. Okay, let's register. Okay, tap on registration. Please enter English numbers. Nickname will be used as invitation. Please enter English or numbers. Let me not leave a space. Let me just put this together and try again. Okay, went through. So I'm to solve this CAPTCHA, and let's see, 2:30, 4:30, 6 o'clock. So we have 2:30. We have, is this correct? I believe it is. We have 2:30. We have 4:30, and we have 6 o'clock. If I'm not mistaken. Okay. So that's correct, and registration is successful, and then we tap on login. Okay, so it will log us into our profile. So let's wait for this to come up. Alright, great. So this is our home page. Okay, let me just exit this and see English. I'm trying to translate the entire page to English. Okay, but I'm trusting. So I just exit this pop-up box and we have our profile. Alright, so we can see that the total supply for DIT is about 80 million DIT tokens that would ever exist. Okay, so in order to mine DIT, all you need to do is to tap on start. There's this big round start button, and then it would start mining. So every day all you need to do is just to come, open up your profile and tap on start, and then it would mine DIT for you. Another way that you can get DIT, as it says, invite friends to get DIT. And how do you do this? I believe you tap on this icon beneath here where it has friend, and then you tap on invite friends and it will bring up your link, right? So you have an invitation code, and then it will bring up your link as well. You can just copy it, just copy it, and then you invite your friends. You send the links to your friends and they would also come on board. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Currently no. Okay, so here you can see news updates on what has been going on with the project. I believe 27th May 2024 they had a DIT seed round. Okay, if we view this information, I believe it will come up. It said DIT seed round private equity was completed ahead of schedule, and these are the details. Once you go in on your profile, that is, you log into your profile, you can see all of this information. And then let's see what their ecological platform is. Okay, so they have building let's see, decentralized internet, and this are all they have in the loop, and this is what we have to look forward to for the DIT project. Alright guys, I hope this video has been helpful. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you found this video helpful, do well to support this channel by getting our educational token, that is the SMC DAO educational token WikiCat, in order to support this channel. Subscribe to this channel as well, and see you in our next video.